So welcome again. Today I want to show you how you can do backup for your laptop. Remember, when you save files on your computer, at times that computer may crash or your files get lost. How then can you restore those files if you don't have a backup? That's where backup comes in. So today I'll show you how you do that, and on this channel I'm also training how to make money online. Be sure to check playlist section and also additional videos on computer and laptop tips and tricks. Be sure to check that. So today I want to show you how we can do Windows backup. This will help us in safeguarding our files and also program files, so that in case our computer crash, you can always restore. There are many ways you can do it. One of them is by connecting external drive to your laptop. Let me do that. So we go to just any folder, then we go to this PC. So I'm connecting external drive. If your laptop have maybe SSD and hard drive, I've done a tutorial on how to identify SSD and hard drive. If it has both, you can use hard drive as a secondary location where you can save your data. So as you can see, I have drive which is partitioned. This is what I talked about partitioning. It's partitioned into two. So I can use one partition for backup, then the other partition maybe for my personal files or maybe big files. So you make sure you have additional disk, or you can partition your own hard disk or SSD, create extra space which you can use for backup. But then if your drive crashes, how will you be able to restore files from the same drive? Now then, how do you do backup? Let's close these. You go to start button, you type control panel. Once it opens, if it could open maybe in category, you can always change that. You go to view, then you select more icons. But our option that we are looking for is here, under system and security. So you go to backup and restore, get a new one. So we can change backup settings. So with that, you need to connect your extra drive. Let me connect. Let's redo again, option. Then you go to, let me close this. You go to change backup settings. So I've connected my external drive. If you have one or even USB, just connect, and as you can see, it detects my partitions, the new drive and the partitions. Make sure you have enough space. I can use the second one because it has enough space. If you are on network, you can click save on network, then you put network location. Maybe you have a server, or if you have another computer within your network, you just connect to that. You just click browser, then at the network it will be displayed. You just select and use the credentials for logging into that computer or server, then you click OK. So your backup will be scheduled to back up on that computer. So you only need to make sure that two computers are connected to the same network and they are on when doing backup. So you click next. So I've selected my drive. So you can either let Windows to select for you what it backs up, or you can choose yourself. Let's see first. When you say this, let Windows choose and it is recommended. These are the things it will back up. So all users, the default Windows folder, I think, and also local folders in the library. This includes document downloads and the rest. Then you have Windows operating system. Let's go back. You can, however, choose by selecting let me choose, then you click next, then you can choose the drives you want to back up. I think this is the best because it allows you to select everything that you want. Make sure everything is included. Then you click next. Once you click next, you need to review backup settings. Then you save the settings. And it is saved. As you can see now, it is pointed to the new drive and backup is in progress. However, you can turn on scheduler. You schedule your backup. So as you can see, it is backing up into my drive and it is in progress, and you can click view details. You can also schedule backup to run. So let me stop backup. So you can schedule when you want backups to be done. This is the most important, because you don't want always to come in and click backup now button. You might forget and maybe you have done some changes. So you can click next. Let me choose next. Next, then here you can schedule and change the date and the time. Then you click OK and save settings. Once you save settings, at that particular time, make sure your laptop is connected and the drive that you put initially, remember it's not just any other driver, it's the same driver. You just connect, it will just detect and start backing up and allow the backup to complete. And you'll always see whenever you'll always see the next backup time so that you can plan for it. So that's how you backup. Now you have your backup you want to restore. You come again to backup and restore. Then you connect the drive you're using to backup. Then you click select. Mine doesn't have any backup. Let's see if I connect the other drive that is already full. I need to change settings. Then I can select this, then next, and save settings. Let's see whether we have any backup available. Let me stop this. So once you have backed up, you can always come and restore from here. So for you to restore, you just come to System and Security, then you click Restore Files. Then you have option to restore. And on this channel, as I said, I always train how to make money online. Be sure to check playlist section. I've organized them in a way you can be able to access. That is how to make money with blogger.com. It's a free blogging platform by Google. You can create good websites. Just check playlist section and see how I've done it, even changing the theme and even editing the code, and how you also create blogs, how you get approved by AdSense, what you need to get approved, and how you now start making money with AdSense. Also how you get approved by AdSterra and start making money. Also how to create a YouTube channel and monetize, and many other address opportunities. Be sure to check playlist section. And if you found this video helpful, remember to hit that like button and also share with your friend. And also remember to subscribe and also turn on notification bell so that when I do next video, you'll be able to see to learn. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next one.